So we're at the Prohibition Secret Speakeasy. I guess this is our 3-year anniversary. And I've got the new acquisitions for the Museum of Interesting Things in this bag. And I'm going to mix up this bag like this, like a 42nd Street shell game. And if you've ever seen a 42nd Street shell game, it looked nothing like what I'm doing with this bag. so there you go. So pick a package to open any package. And here, I'll do some mixing for you. There you go.
Oh, that's so
to get the full effect.
Oh.
Are you confused?
Always.
Always? I didn't even have to mix for it. And scissors. Who needs scissors? You need scissors.
Yes, please.
You need scissors. And who else needs scissors?
I need scissors.
Thank the Lord for dollar store scissors.
No sharp edges.
There you go.
Uh-oh, we have a lefty.
Done, 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 done. Is everyone thinking the Mission Impossible thing?
Da-da-da.
Because I want to get sued for thought crime.
Again.
Again.
I can't wait.
And again, and again.
The tension is killing me.
What is this, baby?
Something, something.
Okay, got some speaking. I know you got
You've
what?
got stereoscope slides.
There's
Oh, these are really rare.
Yeah.
These are like demonstration slides. I got these a long time ago. I was waiting for someone to open these. These are like demonstration slides. And you'll see on the side there, it's written, there's 2 of them, so the other one says the same.
Second one.
And I've got a stereoscope. So these are 3D images from the 1800s, this one is. From what I know, it might be early 1900s.
Boy.
And I'll pass this around and you'll be able to see 3D from over 100 years ago. You should be the first to see this one. These are very rare.
They're
These
older than
kinds.
we are.
Oh, thank you. What was us?
Both of
The
us.
number 2 stereo
Most of us. Yeah, most of the big guys.
something, but yeah, these are like demo type things. You are not seeing me do this, right? Because I'm in denial about glasses. No one's seeing me, right?
That's magnification.
Excellent, good. The Stereo Brownie Kodak. So these were Kodak's limited edition from London prints from the number 2 Kodak Brownie. So these are prints that they made from brownies to show you how good a brownie was. Brownie was named after children's characters from the 1860s called brownies. It was Palmer Cox's Brownies, and he had books. And these were hugely popular. They were the Pokemon of the time. So this is a really cool one for you to open. And what was his name? Who opened him?
Robert.
Robert. Excellent. So Robert, you opened up the Pokemon of children's characters for that one. And then who's next? Or who's on first? Oh wow! This is a really cool advertisement. And we have most of this stuff. So building blocks, magic lanterns, and it tells you the prices. So now you can actually see what these things cost, and it was only a few bucks. Some of them 25 cents. Yeah, the building blocks are like 95 cents. Magic lanterns were about $4.98. Even then, it was $4.98. You know, what is that? Ellen DeGeneres, when she goes, "When did this 98 or 99 begin?" And she goes back to like the Egyptian pyramids or the Temple of Solomon or something. You opened up a film, perfect for you, because you do events and stuff. He does Curiosities. We've got Anthony here, which is an amazing, amazing piece that you guys are getting a 50% discount on. So go on our Facebook and get your discount for something really amazing. This is old cowhand soundy. So this is one of these cool like animations that I picked, like real old timey. So that's a really fun one for you to get.
Yeah, thank you.
That is totally a curiosity. So when we show that one, you'll be like, I was the one who opened that. And that's like a reel without the reel on it. Like, this is straight up. And this is 16.
It's 16, okay. You need a spool. No spool.
I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.